Hi everyone. In this lecture, we are going to see the next two sections present in the structure of C program. So in the previous lecture, we have discussed about other sections. There are 4 sections we have already discussed. If you don't know the 4 sections, please go back to my previous video and see what are all the 4 sections present. So the next section is called as declaration section, local declaration section, very important. So this will be present after the main function. As I said in my previous video, I have said that declaration, okay, declaration and executable statements are called as declaration and executable statement. We can combinedly present in the main function, that is present in the body of the program. If a variable declared inside the any function, okay, not only a main function, the user can create a own function. So let us assume that I can create another function name is called as sum. So this function, main function, is also does not going to return any value, and sum function also does not going to return any value. So that's why both the functions have been declared as void. So in this function, main function, if you are going to use any variable, on some function, if you are going to use any variable, those variables are called as local variable because they are lifetime. If I am declaring a equal to 5, the lifetime of the variable only within this function. If you are declaring a equal to 5, if you are if you are accessing this value here, accessing means I want to print. Okay, let us assume, okay, I have not write the any perfect syntax. Let us try to give a print of a, okay, print of a. So this value will not be passed over this function because the lifetime of the variable is only declared within this function. Okay, so the lifetime is only here. That is called as local variable declared within the main function. Okay, so these variables are called as local variables, and variables are initialized with the data types. Okay, you don't know what is data type as of now, so we'll see further. So just now you remember that one data type is called as integer. The short form of integer is int. Likewise, there are so many data types are there. So variables initialized with definitely a basic data type. Okay, so sir, here variables are declared within the main program is alone local variable. Not only here, if any variables are declared, that is also be called as a local variable. Okay, so in the normally you know only the predefined function called as main function. That's why their definition have been given here, or else you can write any function, variable declared within main function or any function. Okay, this is any function, we could say it is a local declaration. Okay, once you are going to declare the variable, after that what you will do, you will execute the variable. Okay, so the executable statement sum called as printf, scanf, these are function. Actually you have to write like this: printf is a function, because as I said, anything if you write, if you put the bracket like this, that is a function. So printf, scanf, you know printf is a output and scanf is a input. And I will ask one question here: which header file if you want to access the scanf and printf? Yes, correct, std io.h. Very good. So apart from that executable statement, not only printf and scanf, there are some conditional statements are also be there, or some executable statements, c equal to a plus b. Here I am performing addition operation, so this is also be a executable statement. Some conditional statements like if, else. There are so many statements present, but you know that the statement should be terminated with semicolon, but the main function will not terminated with semicolon because that is not a statement. What is statement? The thing or variables or any other functions or anything which will be terminated with a semicolon, that is called as a what? Statements. Okay, so you know that more than one statement can be written in a single line, that is also be possible. So I hope you understand that the structure of C program thoroughly. I have put 3 videos for the structure of C program. The first video I have discussed about what is documentation section and preprocessor directives. not only 3 4 videos, and the next video I have put the examples of preprocessor directives. In the previous video I have declared about what is a global declaration and the main function. In this video I have declared about, or I have discussed about, sorry, not declared, I have discussed about local declaration and executable statement. So totally 6 topics which we have been discussed under the structure of C program. Please remember all the sections thoroughly. Then the upcoming videos will see one by one. So if we talk about variable, there are a lot of constraints to declare a variable. If I talk about a printf function, there are a lot of constraints. So we'll discuss one by one in the upcoming videos. I hope you will understand my video. If you understand my video, please click the like button and you can share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell button. If you press the bell button, you will receive the notifications and you will learn a lot about C program in the placement perspective. Thank you.